Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rohan Khandelwal and I head the Department of Breast Surgery at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. In today's video, I'll be talking about a specialized type of breast conservation surgery which is known as oncoplastic breast surgery. Now, you know, whenever a lady is detected with breast cancer, there are two ways how we can do surgery. One is we can remove the entire breast, that is called mastectomy, जिसमें पूरी breast निकाल देते हैं उसको mastectomy कहते हैं. But most of the patients these days want and are candidates for breast conservation surgery, जिसमें we just remove the lump पर हम पूरी breast remove नहीं करते. That is called breast conservation surgery. Now, in breast conservation surgery, we remove the cancerous part with a normal rim of tissue as well, so that the chances of recurrence come down. Now, when we remove this, there is empty space there. एक गड्ढा होता है. So, उसको पूरा करने के लिए or to fill in that gap, we utilize a technique known as oncoplastic breast surgery. Now, oncoplastic breast surgery is of two main types. One is called volume displacement and the other one is called volume replacement. So, पहले बात करते हैं displacement की. Right? If I remove 10 to 15% of breast tissue, then there will be a gap if I have removed this much of breast tissue. And if I just mobilize the existing breast tissue, जो patient का already breast tissue है, उसको mobilize करके if I close the gap, that is called volume displacement. Volume replacement is when I have removed a larger chunk, more than 20%, then I need to get tissue from some other place to augment that site. That is called volume replacement. So, what are the advantages of oncoplastic surgery? Oncoplastic surgery has helped us remove larger tumors, but with a more cosmetically appealing breast after the surgery. Of course, our first priority is always cancer removal. After that, we focus on the cosmetic aspect, but when we combine both these principles, that is what we call as oncoplastic breast surgery. Now, oncoplastic breast surgery has various techniques. So, before we plan the surgery, we decide on which technique are we going to do. We tell the patient where the scar is going to be placed, how can we hide the scar, and where are we going to get the tissue from if we have to augment that site. So these were the basics of oncoplastic breast surgery. If you have any specific questions regarding your reports or what you want to ask regarding oncoplastic surgery, please feel free to write in the comment section and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.